Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am jumping straight into today's video with nail prep. I am creating a peel off base coat, which consists of cuticle oil and top coat. The only reason why I am making a peel off base coat is because I am doing a lot of content and this just makes it easier for me to switch in between sets. But if you would like to do normal nail prep, feel free to go ahead and do so. So we are doing GelX nails today, and these are the full cover nail tips that I will be using. These full cover nail tips are great, but we do need to etch the inside, and basically we do need to make it a rough surface so that the gel adheres really well. And if you are wearing this for longevity, this is definitely a crucial step in making your GelX nails last. For the nail glue, I will be using this nail glue from Born Pretty. I genuinely believe you can use base coat, but you can correct me if I'm wrong on that. And I am applying a small amount on the base of the nail tip. I really want to make sure I don't put too much because then your nail will overflow and basically the gel will flood over to your skin. I know I say it a lot in my GelX videos, but please be extremely careful when you are doing GelX nails, especially for this process in the application. Gel allergies are seriously no joke. I've seen people lose their fingernails from this. So if you end up getting glue all over your nails, remove it and redo it as many times as you can because you really don't want to overexpose yourself. So we are going to shape our nails into an almond, almost stiletto shape today. I'll be using this straight edge nail cutter and I really like using this. It makes it really easy for me to shape the nails that I'd like. I did try to test it out on my thumb off camera because it's been a really long time since I've shaped my nails this way and I wanted to see before I showed you guys. And basically we're going to cut both ends of the nail pointing at an angle. If it helps, you can cut it into the almond shape from there. Now that we're done shaping the nails, I am going to seal over the cuticles using a ceramic nail bit. I did apply my GelX tips a little bit further away from the cuticle, leaving a small margin. This was just a personal preference because I am applying builder gel over this, but if you don't feel like applying builder gel, you can apply the GelX nail tip however you'd like. Now I'm going to take some acetone and seal over the cuticles, and this just gives it that really nice seamless blend. It just blends into the nail so perfectly. Now I'm going to apply base coat on all of the nails, and I will be carrying this in the lamp for 30 seconds. For today's builder gel, I will be using this color from Model 1s, and I've done a builder gel overlay previously multiple times before in my other GelX videos. Today's video, I am doing a different approach. So instead of building beads and creating an apex, I am going to brush this over like I would a regular gel polish. This builder gel in particular, you don't necessarily have to do that. You can build it up this way, and you can build up the level of sheerness that you want. I wanted to show a more easier method, and this also can make the nail look a lot more natural. Now I am following this up with a second coat just so that everything looks a lot more seamless. We are now done with the builder gel application, and we are ready to begin gel art. Today's gel art is very simple. I'm doing a French with a 3D flower in the middle. I wanted to keep things pretty simple because I've been doing a lot of crazy intricate sets, and I love a simple set sometimes. Some of you don't know, but before I started doing nails, I was a very plain Jane girl. I loved French, I loved solid colors, and sometimes I just like a simple set. It's classy, so that's what we're doing today. Since we are applying a 3D flower, I am going to apply base coat on the middle nail, and I will be curing this in the lamp for 30 seconds. For the 3D flower, I will be using this Macart 4-in-1 Glux Glue Gel. I think it's a lot easier if you have the white. My white didn't come in, so I'm using the clear, and I'm going to take a amount and roll it into a log like before and separate it into pieces so it's easier for me to create a petal. We are doing some slight airbrush paint today, so I'm using this one from Almond, and I'm spraying a little bit on the middle of the nail, and then I followed that up with an orange color, ever so slightly that I sprayed some of that just to give it a nice ombre effect. And then I'm going to go in with some details just to give the flower some more dimension. To finish these nails off, I will be applying top coat on all of these nails, and I will be curing this in the lamp for 60 seconds. So here are how my nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I just love how these turned out. I did want to make them a little bit shorter, but I'm not too mad at the length right now. I think it's still pretty classy and it does give clean girl. I do have everything that I used linked in the description box. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching. I do hope to see you in my next video.